Heat treatment is actually very simple. It's a stamp, and it's the ISPM 15 requirement. That requirement states that the wood has to be heated in such a way that the organisms inside the wood are eliminated, and the purpose of doing so is to prepare the wood for export. The three different stamps are for assembled materials, for individual materials, and for dunnage or cross-out materials. Assembled materials would include pallets, saddles, pipe saddles, cradles, things along those lines. Individual materials are all lumber, any dimensional lumber that's being exported, timbers, anything that's for sale or resale. And dunnage would include cross-outs, anything that isn't actually in an assembled product but is just used for the process of moving other items across into international areas. How do we get that stamp? And it's very simple. We actually sell those materials that are already prepared that have an HT stamp on them, or we can take products from individuals and bring them in and run them through the process of putting them into the kiln and bringing them up to the required temperature for the required length of time and providing that stamp on them. So that's a really abbreviated version of ISPM 15, and I'd be happy to, or anybody else in the company would be happy to share more information. If you have a question about ISPM 15, about its history, origins, or other questions that might involve that, please feel free to contact us.